Hi everyone, my name is Jessica Sedado. I am currently a junior studying nutrition with a concentration in dietetics. I am from Charlotte, North Carolina, more of South Charlotte area. Um, when I graduate, I'll actually only be 20, turning 21, so I'm gonna be a little bit young. Um, so I plan on doing my internship, studying for my registered dietitian license, getting that, and then I would like to take a year or so to kind of just serve at some sort of restaurant and just kind of travel. Um, I don't really want to start my career for the rest of my life at 20, 21 because I have my whole life to work and I'm not ready to start working anytime soon. Um, but I would like to get that registered dietitian license out of the way first. Um, my backup plan, I'm not really sure yet. Um, I would like to work with girls with eating disorders, and some sort of clinic like that. Um, I'm not really sure what my backup plan will be. Something with food, something having to do with nutrition. I kind of like nutrition therapy, somewhere around there. It's really nutrition is the only thing I'm really interested in. So, yeah. Um, in this class, I hope to learn how to better counsel people with nutrition, just learn more about the field I'm going into. I know this class is more along the lines of the other concentration in the nutrition major, but it's always good to be well rounded in that area. Something interesting about me is I am actually a certified scuba diver. So I've been scuba diving in some cool places. Um, for my dream job, my dream job right now is working in some sort of eating disorder clinic and helping girls just to develop a healthy relationship with food, promoting body positivity, all of that. This is my dream job because in high school was not really I did not really have a good relationship with food. I saw food as something that was bad instead of something that's kind of necessary to live. Um, so I really want to just help girls who were like me and be able to improve their lives in that way, because having an eating disorder is so much harder than people think it is. And it is really important to stop that stigma of food is bad so early, like early in life. So that's what I'm really passionate about right now. This class will help me because it's required for my major. I need it to graduate. It'll help me because this very much has to do with my major since I'm a nutrition major. So in order to obtain this job, I'm going to hopefully get my registered dietitian license. And I already have a place in Charlotte where they kind of know me, that they already told me I could already have an internship there when I graduate. And so I think that'll really help me with my endeavors. I don't know where I'm going to end up, but I can start out in Charlotte and then try and get a job where I want one. I think that was it. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.